So we'll just call it number 1. This is an example for going from sum to product formula. So the first thing that we want to look at is we have a 2 in both pieces. So I'm going to undistribute that 2 out. And we've got cosine of 105 plus cosine of 195. Now, using the formula, because now it's in that format where we can use our formula from sum to product, we've got that 2 on the outside, and then we have a 2 cosine of 105 plus 195 over 2 times a cosine of 105 minus 195 over 2. And then we have the big bracket on the outside. So I need to put all these pieces together. I have a 4, 2 times 2. And then cosine, that's 300 over 2, so that's 150 times cosine, that's negative 90, so negative 95 by 2 is negative 45. So now I'm going to go ahead, locate my 150 degrees, and my cosine for that is root 3 over 2, actually negative root 3 over 2. And cosine of negative 45 is root 2 over 2. And then from here, we just multiply like normal. That's 4 times root 6, and it's negative 4 root 6 over 4. That is just a negative root 6. Okay, that is one example. I want to give you guys another one. I did assign, this is the second half of the homework. So going one way from product to sum and then sum to product. That's basically the whole assignment. So this one is 3 times sine 17 pi over 12 minus 3 sine pi over 12. I did this because most of the things you see are in degrees, but we do also have radians because they do go back and forth. So first step, I'm going to undistribute that 3. And now I have a sine of 17 pi over 12 minus sine of pi over 12. Now it's in the format where I can go ahead and use my formula. This one may look a little sticky. It'll get cleaned up pretty quick, but we have 3 times 2 cosine. Now this is where I say it gets messy. Put parentheses. You have 17 pi over 12 plus pi over 12 over 2 times a sine of 17 pi over 12 minus pi over 12 over 2. And then close your brackets. We need to simplify this down clearly. So that is a 6 cosine. Now that is 18 pi over 12. I don't know why I keep adding like a third piece to my pi signs. Give me a second, that was weird. 18 pi over 12 over 2. And then sine 16 pi over 12 over 2. Getting rid of that bottom fraction, we're going to multiply both of those fractions by 1/2. So we see that we have 6 cosine. That turns to 18 pi over 24, which can then be simplified down to 3 pi over 4, times sine, and this is 16 pi over 24, which is 2 pi over 3, and 6. And then cosine of 3 pi over 4 is a negative root 2 over 2, if you locate that on your circle. And then sine of 2 pi over 3, located on your circle, that is root 3 over 2. Multiply all of that together and you get a negative 3 root 6 over 2 after simplifying it down. And that's it.